The headline at Politico.com right now, just breaking in the last few minutes, is this. United States Supreme Court has voted to overturn abortion rights, draft opinion shows. According to an initial draft majority opinion written by Justice Samuel Alito, circulated inside the court and obtained by Politico, the Supreme Court has voted to strike down the landmark Roe v. Wade decision. The draft opinion is a full-throated, unflinching repudiation of the 1973 decision, which guaranteed federal constitutional protections of abortion rights, and also a subsequent 1992 decision, Planned Parenthood v. Casey, which largely maintained the right. Alito writes in this draft majority opinion, quote, Roe was egregiously wrong from the start. We hold that Roe and Casey must be overturned. It is time to heed the Constitution and return the issue of abortion to the people's elected representatives.
Delegate Tran.
Yes, sir.
How late in a pregnancy would your bill apply if a physician was simply willing to certify that the continuation of the pregnancy would impair the mental health of the woman? How late are we talking about?
Well, so the way the suggestion that we've made in the bill is to say it's in the third trimester and at the, with the certification of the physician. So
how late in the third trimester would you be able to do that?
Clear it up.
It's very unfortunate that our physicians, witnesses, were not able to attend today to speak specifically.
No, I'm talking about your bill. How late in the third trimester?
No straw manning. No straw manning.
Perform an abortion if he indicated it would impair the mental health of the woman
or physical health.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm talking about the mental health.
So through the third trimester. The third trimester goes all the way up to 40 weeks.
Okay, but to the end of the third trimester.
Yep. I don't think we have a limit in the bill.
So, where it's obvious that a woman is about to give birth, she has physical signs that she is about to give a birth, would that still be a point at which she could request an abortion if she was so certified? She's dilating.
Mr. Chairman, that would be a decision that the doctor, the physician, and the woman would make.
I understand that. I'm asking
point.
if your bill allows that.
No straw manning.
Would allow that, yes.
Damn! Am I the only one that thinks that's crazy? That when dilating, if it affects the mental health of the mommy, you can just sniff your own baby? Legally? You want to normalize that? In 2020, when you have all these things that you can do to not have the baby? So you're telling me that if you have the job to enjoy a good life with the baby and you lost the job, I can just sniff the baby because it's an inconvenience? Are you freaking kidding me, people? You are sniffing babies. They don't have rights? They didn't choose to be inside your leg. They didn't choose to be 9 months in your belly until you're set like, I guess I don't want this lottery ticket. I don't have an issue with abortion up to the point a child could live independently from the mother, current around 22 weeks gestation. Anything beyond this is murder, pure and simple, which is kinda stupid, but because what you're saying is even if it's in your belly and it's growing, it's not alive. It doesn't have a conscience. By that standard, the next time somebody is saying this stupid argument, when you're in a freaking coma that you cannot live, we can just sniff you, right? Accident, oh, coma, sniff. We don't want to pay you for that. It's a woman's right. Abortion is important. I will put myself out there and say that's way too close to a child being born. Of course, that is my opinion. Earlier on would be less damaging to... What about the baby's damaging? Oh no, he's not alive. You're right. Even the doctor, I'm sure, not a good topic. The lady is so uncomfortable. Yeah, of course it's uncomfortable. You're just pushing something to win. Get your money, baby. Sniff them babies. Use their pots for experiment in the future. Too close to life. No providers in Canada offer abortion scares beyond 23 weeks and 6 days. Which I think it's a lot. They're like 23 weeks? How much is 23 weeks? Almost 6 months. You wanna sniff the baby legally? Many Canadians end up having to travel to the United States to access services with little guidance or support from their governments. Good! So we're not even arguing physical health of the mother, we're discussing distress mental health is the cause at 40 weeks and she's going into labor? Yeah, that's what they're discussing. It's murder disguised as science, plain and simple. Thank you, Adriana. Perfectly said. Mwah. It's murder. They want to legalize killing newborn babies if the mom's MD says she can't handle being a mom. The MD decides for you. How does that make sense? And I could go all night long with this stupidity. All night long without the baby because mommy's happy. Hey, kiss my ass with that stupidity. I have to troll myself sometimes for my mental health. We're in an age where there's so many resources. You become even more lazy and suggest more time to make a decision. Just like a parent treating their child so good and they become more stupid because they depend on daddy and mommy and because they're gonna save them. But in this time, it's not daddy and mommy. The government is the daddy and mommy. Do you see where's the problem? If we keep depending on the government, we can even depend on our family because certain people don't want to work to have a family. They want one that automatically does everything for them because they want freedom to make stupid decisions. Let me know what you guys think. Like, share, bada bing, bam, boom. See you guys next time.